What up, man? Today we're gonna be changing out the plugs and wires in the Wrangler. It's gonna be a quick video, something simple. Not gonna go through the whole process. I'm gonna show y'all if anybody's wondering. Look straight ahead, everything's located on the left side. Your intake stuff's located on the left side. You see the plug wires right here. Plugs is underneath the wires. It's these four right here in the end line. These four wires, four plugs. We'll be changing those out. Gonna be a real quick video, y'all. Alright, got the first plug out. This is what the plug looks like, the old compared to the new. See, it's all burnt out. They need to change that. I'll probably gonna change it in a minute. These are the wires right here. It's old compared to the new right here, old, new. I'm gonna do these one at a time just so I don't get the wires and stuff mixed up, so I know exactly where they go back at to. And you can't mix them up, just as long as you match it up. They all different lengths, different sizes. So just as long as you take it one at a time, it should be alright. I'm gonna go ahead and change all of them out, y'all. We'll come back right with y'all. So all my old plugs right here, what these things look like. The worst one was probably when I took out of my 4-cylinder right here. When I went back, that one I had the most grease, the most oil and stuff on it. Actual wires right there. Wires don't look too bad, just muddy though, with the spark plugs with the bag though. But man, that's it right there though, man. We got all new plugs and wires in this thing, man. Hopefully we're gonna be running a little bit better, man. We on the move right now. Right now, my goal is to get this thing to tip-top shape. Then we're gonna take it in the mud. Hey, the mud, we doing a countdown to the mud, y'all. Doing little by little. Yeah, man, this is a plugs and wires change in the 2000 Wrangler. This is the TJ right here. This is the 4-cylinder, the 2.4 liter here. Manual transmission. Yep, that's it right there, y'all. It's a quick video. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. It's been your host. Catch y'all on the next one. Go.